Hello, in this video I would like to discuss pros and cons of this near-infrared torch which I bought from Amazon, and it cost me about £11. So if you want to learn more about this, please stay with me. So a couple of days ago I received this torch, which is near-infrared torch, 850 nanometer, one big LED chip. As you see here, I can try to enlarge it for you, and you can use it for very small areas of your body. Of course, actually this is designed for hunting using noctovision, but because it's got 850 wavelength of light, I think probably it's even made from similar chips that are put in this kind of professional therapy devices, because when factory makes LED chips, they may sell for many different purposes. And I think that since it's got 850 nanometers, I can also use it to do some therapy for my teeth and gums, and also for some spots on my body. So let's discuss what I like and what I don't like in this torch. And of course the form factor is very important, and the price. The light is very small, and it costs only £11. And comparing to this light, for instance, this one has got 12 LEDs and it costs about $250. So of course the price is much higher, but on the other side it has got much wider coverage of light. So for instance, you can do red light therapy for whole face, or you can shine on the whole joint, like for instance elbow or knee, which you cannot do with this one. But this small light, I think it's very good for very small areas, like for instance treating teeth and gums, and I'm going to use it solely for this purpose, as well as treatment of some spots on my face. I want to see if spot treatment like this, when I put the light very close, how is it going to work? With this one, of course, it requires you to hold couple inches away from your body. It's not really good to hold it very close. And then it shines to my eyes, and I don't really like it from this perspective. So when I have a spot on my face and I want to treat it, I can point directly on it like this, even lie down on sofa, and it should be very comfortable. And I'm just shining on this particular spotty problem I have. So I want to test if it works or not. Another thing is that I want to use it for my teeth and gums. I've got some root canal problem here, and I intend to put the torch like this, turn it on, and hold it for 5 to 10 minutes as well, and see if it's going to help me with fighting with this inflammation. Near-infrared light should penetrate up to 2 inches inside our body, going through muscles, joints and bones. So it should penetrate even when I put the torch on top of my skin like this. It's important to know that this is near-infrared light, 850 nanometers, not red light 660 nanometers. Sometimes you can get the light like this with 660 nanometers, which is red light, and it is good for some skin problems, but it's not going to penetrate through your skin deeper into the tissues. So it's not going to help much with your teeth and gum, especially when you place it like this on top of your skin. What I like as well with this one, that it's small, you can take it with you wherever you go. You can take it on a trip. Let's say you have some problems with your teeth, or maybe you have some very small localized problem with your skin. You can just take it with you and do the spot treatment with this light. Another good thing is that this is perhaps the best way to test if red light therapy is something you would enjoy and benefit from, because you can get it for £11 from Amazon and test it. Is it going to work for you or not? Of course, you can get the large panel and also test it for 2 months, and if you don't like it, return it. But of course, this one requires you to invest $250. So it depends on your budget. and your situation. You can choose the small light, or you can choose to try a bigger light to see if the red light therapy is something you would enjoy and benefit from. So far I'm having great fun using this torch. It's very easy. I'm also doing some unconventional therapy, like doing on some chakras and meridians, but of course this is just my hobby of using it for some natural medicine. But the current science definitely confirmed that near-infrared light of 850 nanometers helps with reducing pain in muscle and joint and fighting with inflammation, and this is what I mostly am going to use it for. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumb up. I really appreciate it. Share with your friends who would also benefit from watching it. If you are interested in more therapy lights I use and recommend, check out my website. You can find link in the video description below. Also have a look at my other videos showcasing different lights like this one and other panels. If you are new here, please consider subscribing, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.